Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll take you back in the kitchen with me and I'll show you how I prepared my Jamaican peppered shrimp. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment, and tell a friend to tell another friend about Callie J's Kitchen. You can also follow me on Instagram, it's Callie_kitchen_1. Follow me on Facebook, it's Callie J's Kitchen. So here I have my shrimp. I also have my Scotch bonnet pepper, garlic, paprika. Of course I have some black pepper and I'm gonna use some Maggi all-purpose seasoning. So first what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go ahead and season my shrimp. But first I'm just gonna go ahead and slice up my Scotch bonnet pepper. Now guys, this is one whole Scotch bonnet pepper and this is really hot. As I said before, we are doing Jamaican peppered shrimp. And as you can see, I did not remove any of the shell from the shrimp. Reason being, I do not want my shrimp to shrink, so I'm not going to remove the shell. Also, what I did, I add some of the pepper, the Scotch bonnet pepper, to the shrimp, and also I'm gonna add some of the garlic to the shrimp also. And once again guys, you can go ahead and follow me on Instagram, it's Callie_kitchen_1. You can also follow me on Facebook, it's Callie J's Kitchen. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, tell your friends, tell your family members about Callie J's Kitchen and have them subscribe. We're on our way to 2K subscribers and I want to tell you guys thank you. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for your support. Thank you for leaving all of your suggestions. I really appreciate it, and as you can see, we're growing and we're thankful. Alright guys, so some persons might not like the scent of garlic, or they might not like garlic overall. Well, garlic is really optional. You don't have to add the garlic to the shrimp. Alright, so I'm just gonna chop up some of the garlic, and of course I'm gonna leave some for when I'm going to fry my shrimp. Alright guys, so now it's time to go ahead and season my shrimp. Of course, as you can see, I added my Scotch bonnet pepper and also my garlic. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and add some of the paprika. Also, I'm gonna add some of the all-purpose seasoning. And a small amount of the black pepper. And guys, if you don't like the color, if you want it to be a little bit darker, you can go in and add some more paprika. So once I'm finished seasoning this, I'm going to leave it for roughly 30 minutes before I start cooking my peppered shrimp. So I'm just going to cover it, leave it in the fridge for 30 minutes before cooking. Alright guys, so after 30 minutes, it's time to go ahead and start cooking my peppered shrimp. So first, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to add the garlic and the Scotch bonnet pepper to my frying pan, and of course, as you can see, I added a small amount of oil. Alright guys, so for the pepper shrimp, you don't need a lot of oil, just a small amount. And what you're going to do, you're just going to combine the Scotch bonnet pepper and the garlic because you want to get all of that flavor. So you just combine it for roughly a minute or two before adding your shrimp. Alright guys, so now it's time to go ahead and add my seasoned shrimp. Of course, you know shrimp takes roughly 4 to 6 minutes to cook. You don't want to overcook your shrimp. You don't want it to be too tough. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to continue to just stir this around and ensure that it's cooked on both sides. Then I'm gonna show you the final product of my pepper shrimp. Guys, this is really easy and simple. You can go ahead and make this for the family. Well, not for the kids, because you know the kids won't like the pepper in the shrimp, but I mean, you can go ahead and do this for a nice dinner date or for a nice lunch date, whichever you choose. Go ahead and make this peppered shrimp. Alright guys, so I'm just gonna continue to just stir, then I'm gonna show you the final product. Alright guys, so roughly after 4 to 6 minutes, this is what my peppered shrimp looks like, all ready to eat, delicious and spicy. Once again guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Really easy and simple, and I hope you tell your friends, tell your families about Kali J's Kitchen, and I hope you also subscribe to my channel. Once again,